Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to read Kindle on computer. To read Kindle on your computer, first of all open up your web browser and then type in amazon.com in the URL box. Make sure to log into your account as well, and once you're inside the main homepage, mouse over to Accounts and Lists at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Content Library. Inside Content Library, select Books. You will then be able to find your Kindle library on the screen. To start reading a book, click on More Actions right next to the book and then click on Read Now. Right after you do that, you will be able to read your book on your computer. So that is how you can easily read your Kindle book on a computer. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.